dreams through struggles and pain. Side by side we aim for the crown. But trust broke when you let me down. Every shot, every step we took wrote betrayal's tale in the battlefield book. We braved the storms, we danced with heat, but the bond we had was far from complete. Left alone, I fought the unknown. Rising stronger, I claim my throne. Free fire's my battleground, my fight, my flame. I've lost, I've risen, I've earned my name. Betrayal cuts deep, but it sharpens my will. A lone wolf now, unbreakable still. Through the ashes, I carve my way. No squad, no trust, just me, I stay. Glory chased, but hearts went cold. You left me behind for loot and gold. Pain's a teacher, scars made me wise. Now I see the game through sharper eyes. No wolf now, unbreakable still. Through the ashes, I carved my way. No squad, no trust, just me, I stay. From the depths and from the sky, one with the darkness, one with light's cry. A boy forged in the fires below, a girl with wings that forever glow. Together they rise from realms of far, a force unstoppable like a burning star. One with the night, one with the dawn, fighting as one forever drawn. Twin flames of the dark and the light, together they stand to end the night. With his fire and her sacred might, they fight as one, bound by the fight. His eyes burn red, her gaze pure gold. In their unity, their story unfolds. Through storm and shadow, through heaven and hell, they carry the light where darkness fell. His demon's wrath, her angel's grace, together they bring the end to this place. No foe too fierce, no darkness too vast, for the twins will stand and they'll outlast. Twin flames of the dark and the light, together they stand to end the night. With his fire and her sacred might, they fight as one, bound by the fight. Through blood and fire they will soar, the heavens and hell shall both implore. For in their hands the power lies, to shatter the dark and light the sky.